How to back up iPhone to iCloud. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Scroll down and go to iCloud Backup. iCloud Backup automatically backs up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. Over here, make sure to turn on the Backup this iPhone switch. Then, scroll down and tap on Backup Now to back up all your data. Following these steps, you can easily back up iPhone to iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.